Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to my channel, Vic 5 and Season 3. So today we're going to continue with my PC build, and we're going to install or mount the motherboard into the case and connect the two case fans. So let's get started. Here is the case. Motherboard is right there. So I'm going to turn the camera over to my brother and we will get started. Okay, so first we're going to open the the case. Okay, so that takes care of that. Alright, so the case of course comes with this package, which is the mounting brackets for the hard drives, as well as some screws including risers. Now over here, if we look over here, we can just put that back in here. You can see that the motherboard has 6 holes for the 6 holes for mounting. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Now let me turn the light on, and there's 4. So over here, you can just see. There. Oops, put that over here. We're gonna just flip that. Anyway, right over here, you can. I've got to put one of the risers in place. Right there. Hold on. One here. Okay, there's one. And then we're just going to put the other one over here. There's 2. The screws, these are what the screws look like right there. Okay, so next we're just going to grab the motherboard over here. Whoops. Okay, there is the motherboard. And alright, so the way that, before I do that, actually I should put this down. I just forgot that the motherboard comes with a back plate. So we're going to open this back plate up and put that in place. The back plate goes in here, so really you can just point the camera there. The back plate just goes like this, in here like that. And as you can see, it kind of like just punches out. And yep. There it is. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now we can put the motherboard in place. Alright, so I'm just going to put it in this way over here and line it up with the screws. Okay, hold on. Hang on for a second, let me retry that. Maybe I have to just push this back in here further. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now let's try this again. All right. Let's have to push it further. Hang on 1 second. There's a bit of resistance. Okay. All right, one more time. That's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to put a screw in place over here. There. Another screw in place over here. Okay, so that's good. I'll put another screw in place over here. Okay, that's good. One more screw in place. Over here. You can turn around from the camera over there, and then you can see it better. Okay, so there's that. Now these ones over here is going to be a little bit trickier, so I'm just going to extend there. Okay, so when we were doing my brother's computer last year, it was a little bit tricky getting these far screws in. Okay, so over here. Well, let's see. Hold it. Hang on. Okay. Okay, there's that. And then one more is right in this corner over here. Okay, so hold on. Okay. That's going to be a little bit trickier. Hold on. It was tricky the last time. Okay, now just going to whoops, slid out. Actually, hold on. Maybe I could just put it in place and we'll see. Hold on. It's a little bit trickier. There we go. Okay, so that one's in place. That one's in place. We'll just tighten these ones. Okay, so now all we have to do is connect the case fans. So the case fans, the connection for one case fan is right over here. There is a guide right along here and right there. So all we have to do is just pretty well just push it in like that, and that's in. This one over here, the case fan connection is actually right over here. So I'm just going to undo this. And we're just, there is the guide right along here, which follows right in there. So we're just going to connect it right here. And it's going to be kind of like that. So that's in place there. Okay, so the case fan is in place, and I'm just going to, for the moment, just kind of connect this over here so it doesn't come loose, and over the fan for now. And later on, I think I'll probably just connect it down there as well, and over here as well for now. And these ones are actually the on-off switches right over here. You can see that there is a on-off switch for each fan. And so that is it. Okay, so that's it. That's installing the motherboard into the case. The next episode is going to do the case connections from the front. So over here, over in there are the power connections, reset, and everything else. Right down there, you can see, which are coming out along here, and they're going to go into this spot over here. But they're not that easy to put in. So as you can see, we've got to align them correctly, and I'll have to look at the motherboard manual just to double check where each one goes. So that will be in the next episode. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next episode. Okay, bye-bye.